In previous program, we have discussed the expression star in the bracket star Sam plus I bracket complete plus J. Now I will show you how to access the elements of the array, the elements of the two-dimensional array using this expression. Okay? Now we'll discuss this expression. I mean I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So I will get value of this element SAM11 contained of this element, that is 50. Okay? Now let us see how we will calculate the address. Now SAM is the base address of first element of two-dimensional array SAM. What is the first element? SAM0 is the first element of the one-dimensional array SAM23. I use one-dimensional array because I know that SAM23 is a two-dimensional array. We can say that it's a one-dimensional array and it has two elements, SAM0 and SAM1. So SAM is the base address of first element. So base address of SAM0 of two-dimensional array SAM. So base address is 65492. Hence here I replace the word SAM by 65492. Understood this concept? Well, next point. Now we will calculate 65492 plus 1. 65492 plus 1 is the address of second element of two-dimensional array SAM. Second element is SAM1. Okay? Now see, we got this address. If you evaluate this expression 65492 plus 1, then we will get the address 65498. How it is so? You see, I am adding 1 to the 65492. I should get 65493. Instead of that, I am getting 65498. Can you explain to me how you got this address? You know that if you increment the pointer, then pointer will point to new memory location of its type. We have discussed pointer arithmetic previously and I use that concept over here. Here this is a pointer to the array. Okay, and hence if you increment this pointer, it will add the size of first row, that is 6 bytes to this address. Hence 65492 plus 6 byte is equal to 65498. Is it clear? Well, now third expression. So 65492 plus 1 is equal to 65498, and now we'll evaluate star 65498. We know that 65498 is address and star 65498 means content of that address. But this is the address of element of two-dimensional array, which is again a one-dimensional array, and name of one-dimensional array is the base address. Hence star 65498 gives the base address of second one-dimensional array SAM1. Okay, and hence this is equal to 65498. In previous session I explained this concept in detail. I explained this concept in detail and I said that this is a very important step. So additional explanation is not required over here. So star 65498 is nothing but 65498. Okay, now let us see the next explanation. 65498 plus 1 gives the address of second element of second one-dimensional array SAM1. Now you see, what is the address? Result is 65500. Here 65498 plus 1, we should get 65499. Instead of that, we got 65500. Why? Can you answer this question? You see, again I use pointer arithmetic. This is an integer pointer, and if you increment the integer pointer, then we'll have to add 2 bytes because integer consume 2 bytes, and hence 65498 plus 2 bytes is equal to 65500. Clear? Well, so I have replaced 65498 plus 1 this expression by 65500. Star in the bracket 65500 gives the content of this memory location. And what is the content of 65500? It is 50. Hence this is equal to 50. Is it clear? So we have accessed the content of SAM11 through the expression, through the pointer expression, this one. Have understood the concept? Thank you.